Is your 2015 Ram 1500 backup camera showing a black screen or glitching out? Let's troubleshoot this common issue in under 3 minutes. Statistics show that 80% of display failures on this truck are caused by simple wiring harness fatigue at the tailgate connection. Before you replace expensive components, we need to systematically isolate the failure point. Start by disconnecting the tailgate harness and inspecting the pins for any signs of corrosion or moisture buildup. Beyond the harness, check your fuse box for any blown circuits or consider if the Uconnect system needs a soft reset. Sometimes the issue isn't hardware at all, but a software hang that requires a quick system reboot. Try cleaning the contacts and performing a hard reset first, as these often solve the problem without needing professional help. As you can see, the price of the fix scales quickly from a few dollars in supplies to a significant shop bill. If basic steps fail, use a multimeter to verify power is reaching the camera module itself. Make sure you have these basic tools ready to ensure a safe and successful repair process. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal before probing any electrical connections to protect your truck's sensitive electronics. If you've tried these steps and it's still dark, it might be time for a new camera module. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook.